video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the World app No Backups Found. So if you want to fix it, first thing you need to do is you need to head over to the World app itself. So let's head over right here and look for the World app. Now, here it is right here. Proceed to open this. So you need to verify your account and make sure that you're assigned into the World app with the exact same account you used to create backups. So for this case, you need to also ensure that your device backup is active by connecting to your Wi-Fi. So from in there, you can actually make sure that you have a stable connection for that. Ensure your phone has enough battery charge for the backup process to complete. And if you want to enable it, just head over to your actual phone settings and on your backup, make sure to backup it by Google One. So you can also manually trigger it. Just navigate to the backup section of your actual World app by clicking on this gear icon. Then after that, you can see all of these options right here. So you can particularly access your account by backing it up using your actual vault. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.